Okay, guys, I'm really getting excited with COTP because it's giving me that vibe. Okay, guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy Funsho Samson, and I'm here again to bring you good tidings as usual. But before I go into today's video, I'd just like to quickly say a massive thank you to all my subscribers who have been there for day one. Those of you that have just subscribed not long ago, I really appreciate you guys for supporting your boy and keeping up with this channel and spreading the love as well. And for those of you that haven't subscribed yet to this YouTube channel, if this is your first time of watching any of our content and you like what you see, feel free to please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get first-hand information whenever I drop new content. So we intend to keep you here for as long as you want to stay, rent-free, no ground fees, no maintenance fees, nothing at all. That's how nice we are on this channel. Okay, guys, having said that, today I'm only just going to be showing you my back office and updating you from the previous videos on the COTP or OTC platform where we have been putting our money to work. And for those of you that have been following this channel, you know that I only registered, and I think that was ending of March 2022, and made my first withdrawal, I think, on the 31st of March 2022. And today is just the 8th of April, and I have successfully made my second withdrawal today. I made a withdrawal of 256 US dollars in USDT, and has reflected in my wallet. So I just want to show you guys my back office and to let you just see the proof of my withdrawal, and also a screenshot of when it reflected in my wallet, which took less than 10 minutes. Okay, guys, before I show you my back office, COTP is giving me that vibe, and it's really getting me excited because I'm getting that kitchen feeling again. You know how it is. So the only thing I'm just praying for is that this platform stays out there for as long as possible. I see no reason why it shouldn't, and that is why I made that ultimate business decision to jump on and quickly get my hands in. Okay, guys, having said that, please do not invest any amount that you're not willing to lose, because this is business, this is investment. Nobody knows tomorrow. That's why I don't even want to talk about the background of COTP, about the owners, if they have a face of the organization, if they are registered. Come on, guys, we've seen companies that have all those criteria, but still they end up folding up. So that's not the main issue. The main issue is focusing on our main purpose of actually joining and registering for that platform and getting as much as we can while they are still there. I have a feeling that COTP will be there for a very long time, just from my little experience. But let's see how it goes, and hopefully we all make the best of it. So I'll just quickly show you my back office now and show you my live withdrawal. Okay, guys. So like I said, welcome to my back office. And today I'm just going to be showing you my withdrawal. This will be my second withdrawal since I started investing and compounding. So I'm just going to take you through the process of how to make a withdrawal. So as you can see from my dashboard, there is no money in transaction at the moment because my 2 hours just elapsed a few minutes ago. So everything that was inside this transaction wallet has been moved back into my wallet balance, ready for me to withdraw. So for some of you that I have explained to, that you can withdraw your money at any time, you can withdraw your capital and also withdraw your profit at any time you want to. This is what I mean. As long as the money has moved out from your transaction after 2 hours into your wallet balance, you can make that switch immediately. So, and you can pull as much as you want to pull out. So for the purpose of this video today, I'm just going to be withdrawing only 300, and I'll be continuing with the rest. So for those that haven't watched the previous video before this one,
I had only $948 after I made my first withdrawal out of this account. And from $948, this is just a week now, or less than a week. So I have accumulated $300, and I'll be withdrawing the $300 and then continuing with my initial capital. So that would be my second withdrawal, making a total of $400 that I have withdrawn so far. So for me, I feel like this is just an amazing platform, and I'm only praying that this platform stays for as long as possible, because trust me, once you are successfully trading and you've been trading for 4 weeks, you would have made, basically you would have made 100% profit, which means you would have made double. So if you've invested $1,000, you would have made $2,000 in total, and that's just 1 month. And then after then, whatever you make will just be added bonus. So depending on what strategy you want to use, that's you making that call. So as you can see, this is mine page and withdrawal records. Let me just show you before I make that withdrawal. So this is the only withdrawal I had made on the 31st of March, and I'll be making my second withdrawal. So after I make my second withdrawal, you would see that the next video will be showing you that there's been 2 withdrawals made so far. So, okay, let's go back to the transaction hall. Time to make a withdrawal. So sorry, go back to mine and then time to make a withdrawal. So you go to your mine page where you can make withdrawals and click on withdraw. Okay, so it's showing my available balance as 1,259. So because I want to leave 1,000 in there to keep trading, I'll just withdraw 259 for today. So withdraw amount 259, 259, 744. Okay. So the fees is just 0.3% to make a withdrawal. So that means I'll actually be getting 258,964. Okay, my transaction password. So you make sure that you've already set this before you started making a withdrawal, before you even start trading, to be honest, so that you don't have any problems. Okay, so that's my transaction password, which is different from your login password. Okay, so send verification code. So the message has been sent to my phone. I should receive it any moment from now. Okay, message just came in, and I'll be putting in my verification code now. Okay, that's done. And then I'll click submit. Okay, so I've been asked to create a face recognition image. Okay. As you can see, guys, I have just made another withdrawal. So my initial withdrawal, the first one, didn't need any facial recognition, image, but I think this is new, and the more secure it is, the better. So guys, I'm just going to quickly take a screenshot as soon as the funds reflect in my wallet, and then I'll show you here on this page. So that's just about it. So let's check the withdrawal records. So as you can see, this is my withdrawal record. It hasn't been processed yet. So once it's processed and been sent, I'll receive a notification and then take a screenshot and show you guys. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you updated. Back to transaction hall and time to trade again.
Okay, guys. You've seen it yourself, and that's how it is. So I did know that there's a facial recognition now when you're making withdrawals, because the first time I made a withdrawal, there wasn't any facial recognition, and these people continue to update, their system, their software. They continue to make it more user friendly and more secured, and I'm quite impressed about that, because in this line of investment, if you are not properly strapped, you know how it is. You can be dragged under the bus. So I'm quite happy about them tightening up security and giving us the reassurance that our money is safe. So guys, you've seen it all yourself, and it's up to you now to make that ultimate business decision, because I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not providing financial advice. And every information I'm providing on this platform is just for educational purposes and to show you exactly what I'm doing and to carry you along on my journey as an investor in cryptocurrency and anything else that can make me passive income. So guys, please feel free. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the perfect opportunity for you to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and click on the notification bell so you can get first-hand information whenever I drop new content. So having said that, guys, have a wonderful day and see you in the next video. Let's keep winning.